and happy new year. If you are new to the channel, welcome. My name is Jessica, also known as MetaDev Girl. And with us kicking off 2024 right now, I really just wanted to take some time to just say welcome to everyone that has been joining me over the past year as I have been building up the channel. And I'm so excited because there's a lot of things that I'm going to be bringing to the channel, especially in this new year. And so I wanted to start out with our very first challenge of the year. I should say this is my first challenge of the year. I have decided that in the spirit of my past attempts with 100 days of code, this year I want to do 365 days of code. So, what I really love about this challenge, although it's a lot more days than I have done in the past, there's really no room for error, right? It's kind of one of those like all or nothing challenges, at least in my opinion, because even though we technically have one extra day in the year, this year, honestly, it's one of those things where it's like once you miss a day, or technically once you miss 2 days, you are spilling over into the next year. And so just for the sake of really wanting to be more consistent and putting more things out and not trying to be overwhelmed by perfectionism, I'm really excited about this challenge. I feel that it'll give me an opportunity to go live every single day, to focus on the different challenges that I have going on in the background, different technical challenges and different things that I'm learning. I'll always be able to put even a few minutes towards it every day and just spending more time in the community. So I'm looking forward to that. So I just wanted to kind of give a little bit of a placeholder just to kind of remember where I'm starting from. Today was my very first day, and so I was actually able to get my chat bot, my Twitch chat bot, up and running again, and I got it deployed today. So that took me about 4.5 hours or so. And all things considered, um, since I hadn't looked at that code in a very long time, since I hadn't really looked at the bot framework or any of the tools I had used in that code base, and since I also just got my brand new MacBook Pro, woo woo, I just got my new MacBook Pro and I hadn't had anything set up on it yet. So this was also my first like technical project getting set up. So I had to get, some of my dev environment going. So today I feel like it was very productive, right? And even though that was a longer session, I don't necessarily plan on having 4 hour sessions every day. But I feel like, again, if I can take a few minutes every day just to make sure that I am working towards my goals, then at the end of 365, I feel like I can definitely say that I've accomplished something, right? Because the more that you practice, the more time you spend, the more challenges you overcome, then, the more you're going to grow, especially in software engineering. And one of the things that I've really been focused on, especially over the past year, is just being more helpful in giving more advice and giving more insights as to how I have been growing my career over the years. And so, again, like I'm excited about the 365 days of code because it also gives me an opportunity to show you all firsthand exactly what I am doing. To increase my skills and also to increase my profile, my professional profile as a software engineer. So, with that being said, I hope y'all will join me. I will be live every day. So you'll be able to find my live streams, but then you'll also be able to go back and watch the VODs if you want to just catch up that way. But I will do so much more content outside of live streams this year. I'm very excited to just bring you all more edited content, more specific tutorials and guides, and just kind of see what are the things that you all want to hear about, that I can teach more on. So, if it's going to be anything that is career focused, if it's going to be anything that is, maybe a little bit more opinionated, coming from me, coming from what projects I'm doing, how I'm directing my career, then you will definitely be able to find it here on this MetaDev Girl channel. But I'm also excited to announce that we are going to be having MetaDev World finally. I've been wanting to do this for so long. And MetaDev World is going to be a completely separate channel where it will be entirely education focused. So if you want to just go and learn watch a JavaScript class, then you'll be able to go to MetaDev World. if you want to, try your hands at machine learning, for example. That'll be another thing. So we will be covering web development, full stack JavaScript, as well as Python and machine learning over on the MetaDev World channel. So that is a work in progress, but it will definitely be coming soon. So I just want you all to know and stay aware of what's going on. And again, let me know what kind of things that I can be bringing to you all, whether it's tutorials, guides, or if you just have questions that you want to ask about what it's like to be in the software engineering field, how you can grow and advance your career, and especially how to really nail down the jobs that you're most interested in. I'm so excited to just be bringing you all more content like that this year. So, again, I just wanted to say Happy New Year. One day down of 365 days of code and 364 more to go. So I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.